welcome back everyone to another video again from your girl Kissy. What's up with you guys? How is quarantine treating you guys? I hope all you guys are staying safe. Today what I'm gonna cook for you today in my kitchen is chicken liver. So I have a pack of chicken liver right here. I have in some water because it was in the freezer. So I'm gonna wash it with some lemon and I'm gonna show you how I season my chicken liver. So right there I have my liver. I washed with some water already, so I'm gonna kind of clean off the fat off it, and then I'm gonna wash it with some lemon. So I finished washing my chicken liver. So as you can see, the lemon is there. I use a lemon to wash it, and then I put it in the strainer to drain the water off. So I'm gonna show you what season I'm gonna put on it and how I season my chicken liver. So right here I have my seasoning. I have some onions, garlic, scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper, and I have some thyme also. So I'm gonna pour this seasoning in on top of the chicken liver. So that's the chicken liver. I washed it with some lemon and drained everything, so there's no water nor nothing inside of it. So I'm gonna pour all this seasoning on it. I think I'm just gonna let the pepper boil inside of it, just like that. I'm not gonna cut it. So these are basically the seasons I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put some all-purpose. I'm gonna put some roasted garlic. I'm gonna put some garlic powder, meat seasoning, and my favorite, jerk seasoning. And I'm gonna use soy sauce. You can use browning, but I choose to use soy sauce. So I'm gonna add a little meat seasoning, just a dash, garlic powder, all-purpose, and some roasted garlic. I'm gonna put like maybe, let's see, just a little of this jerk seasoning. I'm gonna put some soy sauce. So I'm gonna use my hands now and mix it up. Bear in mind I didn't add any salt because you know these seasonings have already have salt in them, so I don't add any salt to it. So there you go, I finished. So I'm gonna leave it, let it marinate for a bit before I cook it. So now guys, I'm gonna cook the liver right now. The oil is on the fire, so I'm gonna show you how I cook my chicken liver. So I'm gonna pour everything inside the oil. The oil is hot. So I pour everything in the pot, the seasoning and everything I put inside. So you know, liver is something that easy to cook. You don't want to overcook it. So I'm turning it, and then I'm gonna add a little water to it, because you know it's bringing its own water too. I'm gonna add some water to it. So I'm gonna add some water to it. So I'm gonna put a pepper on top of it. I'm gonna add some carrots to it. guys, as you can see, it's boiling down to a gravy. So this is my chicken liver, and I'm having this chicken liver with some dumpling, yellow yam, banana, and corn. It smells so good. So I'm gonna add some of this in it, sweet chili sauce. So my chicken liver is almost cooked. I'm gonna just let it stay on it for maybe 5 more minutes. You see, look at the gravy. The seasoning inside is kicking. So now my chicken liver is ready. Look at the gravy. Look at that. So guys, this is how I cook my chicken liver. I season it up with my basic seasoning like all-purpose, garlic powder, meat seasoning, and I put a little jerk sauce, and I use scallion, onion, thyme, sweet peppers, and scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna turn it off now, and I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the finishing dish of my chicken liver. And over here I have some dumpling, yam, banana, and corn that I'm gonna eat my chicken liver with. Look at that. Look at that juicy gravy. Look at that. That's the result of my chicken liver. Served with dumpling, green bananas, yellow yam. You guys can like, subscribe, hit that notification button, comment down below, and share this video. And thank you for watching my video. Bye.